Hello, welcome on this new lecture. We'll now see how we will install and configure CPM on our VDA. So let's go here on our VDA and create a policies that will be CPM. After we go and edit the policies and we'll go in the computer setting in policies, Citrix policies. In the Citrix policies, we'll see that we are actually in the computer policies, Citrix computer policies. See, that's it. So we'll create a new one, and the new one will be CPM. And now let's do a next. So I'm just gonna change the name, CPM, that's better. And we'll start to do the configuration. So first of all, we'll go in the here in the categories, and we'll go in the basic setting of CPM. So that's good to start with the basic setting, no? So first of all, what we'll do is that we will we'll go and enable the profile management. So enable profile management. Here we'll do enable. So first we'll enable the engine. So that's a good news, huh? No. After we'll go to the path to user store, and we will copy here in the path to user store. We'll go here and we'll do a copy paste here. And I will go here on my notepad. I will go here and I will type this information. Okay, so um, here it will be the name of my storefront. Normally it's the name of your file server. This is the CPM. Okay, so if I show you, I have a share here, storefront 1, and here's my CPM. After that, I have my SAM account name, so it will be the name. The here the OS name. So is it a Windows 10 or 2016? Very nice to do the separation between XenApex and desktop. And is it a 32 or 64 byte? So I do OK here, and I will do process of local admin. Okay, so this is very nice also for local admin here. So I do OK. So specify whether logon or members of the local admin are processed by CPM. Okay. So if this setting is disabled, logon by local admin are not processed by profile management. If this setting is not configured here, the value from the INI will be used, and of course I enable it here. So remember that something which is very nice is this one. Okay, is the active write back. Okay, when you enable active write back, CPM will detect if an application has written and made a change to a file, and he will copy this on the network, but only during idle period. Okay, so and so where if a single user leverage multi virtual desktop, okay, or multi-hosted shared desktop, this can be fantastic. Okay, so in when you are roaming. Okay, so now let's go in advanced settings. See, so it was easy now, and that's it. No, I'm kidding. So we go in advanced setting here. So where is advanced setting of the profile management? No, it's here. Sorry. So let's go in the advanced setting. So in the advanced setting, first of all, something that you must do is process internet cookie files on logoff. Okay, this is important to do it because with this one, if you enable it in some deployment, of course, you have some cookies that, and these cookies you want them to be processed on logoff, of course. So well, no, sorry, it was enable. So enable this one. This is for something that you put each time here. And after that, go on the file system here. So advanced setting, and you can go after on the file system, and on the file system, you can exclude some list. Okay, so for example, it can be very nice. You can exclude some. For example, I say I don't want to have saved games. This is I don't care about that. I don't want to have all what is downloads because it make a lot of space. Okay, think like that. Or for example, app data local. This is something that you can enable. So you can do some exclusion for that. After that, you can also add some directory to synchronize. So this is something that you can do also, is to include some other. Okay, so you can really add some. I will not add here, but you can add some other folder if you want that are not copy on the CPM. Okay, so after we'll go on the profile ending. This is very, very powerful. Profile ending is that we can delete locally cached profiles on logoff. Okay, this is nice because like this you will not have a lot of profile here with enable. So and he can get a big history and he can take a lot of place. After we'll do migration, of course we will do it because I like it a lot. So we'll do local and roaming, of course, here, and that's it. Okay, so you have auto. You can you can do other setting if you want. Huh? And after we have the streaming user profile. Okay, the streaming user profile during the login, the CPM only will load what he needs. So it will reduce the profile load time to almost zero. Okay, this is something that you must enable also. So streaming user profile is this one, and in your profile streaming here you must enable it. So you can see that with profile streaming, user profile as synchronization on the local computer only when they're needed. Well, of course I want it, of course. So I'm not like the roaming profile. Okay. So now we'll do a create here. So we'll do an X here, and we'll do it directly on X. Okay. So we're not gonna apply it to anybody because we're gonna apply it to everybody. So we do here create. So enable, so no filter, meaning that it will be for everybody. And let's do a creation here. So that's it. Okay. So normally what you do after is you do further direction, but we'll not do it actually. We'll just test it. Okay. So we will test the optimized profile. Be aware that the first time it will take a long time because he will take the RDS profile and migrate it to the CPM. Okay. So I'm just going to do something. Let me see. Normally, I must do another thing here is that I must change also my rating here. Okay, so okay, no, that's good. Okay, and I'm going to put it on higher, this one. Okay, so we'll go here higher because it's really my first one. Okay, so now ready. So let's go on my let's test it. Okay, so now I'm ready to see if really it's better. So I will go on my client one and I will do a test. Okay, for that I will see that really it will be so powerful. Okay, but first of all I must do a GP update / force, of course, on this one. If it was on the VDI, I just have to reboot them, of course. Oh, sorry. Okay, and I will do a GP update / force. Okay, and now I didn't choose any group, so it will be for everybody. Okay, so let's go back here to our client here, and let's do the test now here. So be aware that for the first time, he will take, of course, he will copy. So you will not see really the difference. Okay, you will say, oh, it's very long. That's normal. Okay, so let's do a customer 2, do a sign out, go back here and do a refresh apps, and let's do a logon here. So of course what he will do now is that he will start to copy the profile on the storefront on the CPM here. So if I go here on my CPM, you must wait a little, okay, of course, because he's doing the job. So let's go to our client here. So this time, of course, he's taking some time, but now we say that you see that now it's please wait for the Citrix profile management. So it's not the same message than before. Now Citrix is doing the work. And after, when I will do a log off, you will see that really it will be in real time. This is CPM, okay? This is the power of CPM. Wow, incredible, no? Yeah, it is. Be aware that you can also add a log file because if you want to see what is happening. Okay. So now it's okay. It's working now. So we're just waiting, and he's doing the job. And after, when I do log off, you will see that when he will load in real time. And this is amazing. Really, this is one of the best products I never saw. So still nothing here, okay, but that's normal because he's doing the job. And when he will do the job after, it will be okay. Okay. Okay, that's better. Uh, See how the time he takes? But after, it's magic. It's magic in the air. Ali, no, this is the music. Okay, so don't laugh about my super accents. But I try to transfer all my knowledge about Citrix. Not just do a small training of 2 hours because wow, 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 so much time. See, so and here it's starting. See, customer two. You remember username, and here we have the UPM profile, and he's starting to to take all this profile here. So he's doing the migration. Okay, this is migration in progress. Wow, thank you so much. You are doing so fantastic job. And after, when I will load my profile, it will it will speed up at more than 90%. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So so he making a lot of work, huh? So see, we must really wait that he makes a job. And I think that in several minutes. See, I don't cut it because just to show you really the time. Okay, so if I go back here, he's really migrating. See, so I can see it here. So if I go here and I, for example, go here and do, oh no, see now all is coming now. See, I think it's okay now. He did the job. Wow, and look now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I am ready. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. So let's go back to desktop Archer and now look what you are seeing. Remember? Okay, can we do the count for you? Okay, so let's start. So 1 minute. I'm just waiting that he's launching the WinLogon. Are you ready, everybody? Yeah, 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 yeah. So one. So one. So yeah, one. No, 1 minute. Wait, wait. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Hey, come on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, no, it's not possible. Wow, 80% faster. Thank you, CPM. Wow, amazing. Okay, so Really, it's fantastic. So thank you for all. I hope that you appreciate this fantastic lecture. So hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye bye, everybody.